The search for knowledge is closely linked to object of study, that is to the reconstruction of the facts that will provide an explanation to observed event and that at first sight can be considered as a problem. It is very human to seek answers and satisfy our curiosity. Let's talk about research. First, what is research? Research is the careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or research problem using scientific methods. According to the American sociologist Earl Robert Babby, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. It involves inductive and deductive methods. Second, what are the characteristics of research? 1. Good research follows a systematic approach to capture accurate data. Researchers need to practice ethics and a code of conduct while making observations or drawing conclusions. 2. The analysis is based on logical reasoning and involves both inductive and deductive methods. 3. Real-time data and knowledge is derived from actual observations in natural settings. 4. There is an in-depth analysis of all data collected so that there are no anomalies associated with it. 5. It creates a path for generating new questions. Existing data helps create more research opportunities. 6. It is analytical and uses all the data so that there is no ambiguity in inference. 7. Accuracy is one of the most critical aspects of research. The information must be accurate and correct. Okay, next. Types of research methods. Research methods are broadly classified as qualitative and quantitative. Both methods have distinctive properties and data collection methods. 1. Qualitative methods. Qualitative research is a method that collects data using conversational methods, usually open-ended questions. The responses collected are essentially non-numerical. This method helps a researcher understand what participants think and why they think in a particular way. Types of qualitative methods include 1. One-to-one interview. 2. Focus groups. 3. Ethnographic studies. 4. Text analysis. 5. Case study. 2. Quantitative methods. Quantitative methods deal with numbers and measurable forms. It uses a systematic way of investigating events or data. It answers questions to justify relationships with measurable variables to either explain, predict, or control a phenomenon. Types of quantitative methods include 1. Survey research. 2. Descriptive research. 3. Correlational research. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.